Oh hey, welcome to day 3. Today is the final day on this job. I was able to get it done fairly quickly this week. I wanted to show you when I buff a floor. So all that's on the floor right now is the sealer. On my buffer, what I do is I put that purple maroonish conditioning pad, and then this is sanding tape that I stick to it. The grit I'm using on this is 200 grit, and it sticks to it. And so then I go over the entire floor with this. A few people have asked how do I do this process, if they wanted to do like a buff and coat or anything like that. So that's how you set up your equipment. I'm not going to gatekeep on anything like that. I'll show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. So then I go over the entire floor with that maroon pad and sanding tape. And you just want to get a little dust up and just to abrade it enough so that the new coating has something to stick to. Once you've done that, you vacuum up the floor and then you apply a coat, which you see me doing here now. This is the middle coat. So this is a semi-gloss finish. I waited about 3 hours on that and then go over the entire floor again. I forgot to get footage of the small rooms, so that clip, the last clip you saw, was the only clip I got of the first coat. This is actually the final coat going on now. So it's a shorter video today, just a coating day, but the floor's all done. Customer's happy, checks in the bank. I know it's only Wednesday, but it's time to go have a beer and celebrate. If you have any other questions about how to do something like this, if you're thinking about doing a floor, maybe at your own house, or maybe you're looking to expand what you do for work or something on the side, hit me up. Ask me questions in the comments. I don't mind sharing how to do it. With that being said, I'll see you next week.